Notice the raid cans in today's carbage video. Oh, why you got raid cans? I mean, the front looks pretty freaking clean. Oh, just a little bit of must down there. Where else are we cooking with? Oh, buddy. So now it's just starting to fill up more. Okay. This one's not too bad like the previous video. Holy frick. The passenger side trash can special. I mean, you're not wrong. That's so true. Hey, frick, buddy. Oh, dude, that's just some disgustingness. Inside of a car you're parked next to. Dude, they got a piss jug in there. They literally pee in their jug. Or wait, is that piss jug? Or is that like the so-called iced tea type of stuff? No, that looks like a fucking piss jug to me. Dude, this is just disgusting. Look at this. Oh, dude, the seat's just shredded to the max. Holy frick, buddy. He's got a piss jug, shredded seat. That's disgusting. I saw him leave. Yeah, you probably did see him leave. Put on the full armor of God. Oh, are you... Hold up, sorry. Are you telling me this is a Christian? Dude, this gotta be a Christian boy. Dude, you can't even see out of your passenger side. The whole dash is just covered to the max and they got a fuzzy steering wheel? Dude, no. Dude. How do you live like this? Holy frick. I picture you can smell. Oh, yeah, I can smell those cigarette butts. Dude, that's just... Dude, I don't know how people smoke ciggies and throw it down on the floor like that. Like, dude, in your seat. Holy frickin' A, fella. Dude, she's just filled up to the max. Holy frick. That's disgusting. Cigarettes is the worst part. And, dude, it's in a Volkswagen. I mean, I love these cars, but this one can't be saved. Catch it on fire. Throw it down into the bottom of a lake and call it good. Steam itself out of this infested creature. Holy frick. I had no words. Yeah, dude, I bet you have no words. Like, look at this crap. Holy frick. Dude, how do you drive with all these wires down there below on your feet? Like, your feet are catching in there. Like, holy frick, buds. And wires across your dash? Dude, you can't even see your kilometer. You know, you just can't see your dash in general. Like, dude, what the hell? Goodness gracious. And then you go over here, you can't even see on your passenger side. Like, dude, people are hazards. You should just honestly report their license plate if you see them in public. Dude, they're a hazard to society. I mean, like, honestly, I hate to say it. You like, just report these people. Because freaking A, if they cause a car crash because they couldn't see other path, you could save somebody's life if you report these people. I mean, I think they need to be reported. But frick, I'm just saying that on the internet. Like, from my own personal preference, like, frick, road safety. Yeah, I have no words for this type of shit, buddy. Like, being a hazard on the road, not thinking about others. Like, you guys just gotta be safe out there. Spotted this today in my local supermarket car park. I don't even know, in United Kingdom. I can't even say that, but dude, holy, dude, your dash is just disgusting. Ugh. Let's get some better pics. Yeah, you got some nice bananas coming in. Dude, like, what is the point of stocking up your vehicle full of garbage? I don't get it. Dude, how? How? Why do you have hands in there? Butt plug pans? Finally found one, bro. Just seems so excited in writing that out. Holy frickin' A, that's just nasty. I'm a valet. The person driving had his wife and 2 kids sitting in the back seat. I'm a valet. The person driving had his wife and 2 kids. Dude, this wife just... No. Dude, this car's so nasty. It's got shit flung on the roof. Oh, dude. No. Oh, my gosh. A car at the hotel I work at. Oh. Holy frickin' A, buds. Look at this dash. Dude, can you even get in there? You can't even see. You're a hazard. Oh, my goodness. This is disgusting. What is wrong with some people? Like, is that panties? Is that panties? Ew. Ugh. Oh, God, dude. If this is a woman driving this thing, that's disgusting. This one a couple of times. Thought of you folks in this sub. Ooh, yeah, buds. Oh, is this what we're cooking with? Dude. What? Oh, come on. This is why I like tinted windows, but frick, I kind of wish these people that were doing this didn't all have tinted windows. Like, they need to be exposed. Being this window open in the rain is a nice... Yo, he's even cracked it open. No way to let the smell out. That's nasty, bro. That's nasty. Dude, you can tell this is like a new car, and they're like filling it up full of garbage. Like, how do people do this? Oh, there goes a Volkswagen. I love Volkswagens, but freaking A. Dude, this bug. Oh my god. This bug's already small enough and they're cramming themselves full of garbage. Dude, where's the lockpick on here? You didn't put a freaking bolt-on lock to help hold in the door? Dude. Oh, that's disgusting. The whole dash is... Why do you have a towel on your dash? What are you putting on there for? You're not making any spills. You probably spill all your drinks and whatnot over here or on yourself. Like, dude. Ugh. I was told this belongs here. I mean, buddy, you're not wrong, eh? Sure does seem to belong here. Like, ugh. Emergency braking must be interesting. Yeah, must be. Like, holy frick, look at this nasty pile of garbage. Holy frickin' A-buds. Unfortunate visual. Yeah, it doesn't. Oh, dude, he's got a case up. He's got a tool case up there. So if he gets like, if that comes flinging back, I'm gonna smack him in the head. Or same with these cans if they're full. But these cans are full, but they look empty to me. Holy crap, he's even got crap up there on the roof. Dude, this guy's like prepared for the zombie apocalypse. He's got like a bike up there when his van runs out of fuel. Oh, freaking A-buds. Oh, or is he stealing these bikes? He's gotta be one of those people that steals bikes and repairs them. And he thinks he's making a good living off it. Chicago parking lot. Like, ugh, dude, what is wrong with some people? Like, how do they live like this? Found in the wild at Chicago Suburban Panera. Ugh, dude. How? Holy frick. That's just maxed out to the max out. Full to the brim. Oh, yeah, dude. That's literally full to the brim. That's musty, busty looking type stuff. Like, how do people live like this? Oh, you can even see it's in the back here. Holy frick, buds. Why? That is just nasty. Watched her struggling to back into a space that was wide open. It was obvious as to why when I came back outside. Oh, yeah. Dude, oh my goodness. This one's not even as bad as the other ones, but freaking... This is just nasty type looking stuff. Like, dude, what is going on here with some people? Like, what goes through their minds to me? And like, yeah, you know what? I'm okay with this situation in my life. I love it. One of many. And this is a woman's car. Dude. Ay, that's disgusting. Like, bro, what are you... Dude, that's disgusting.
Bro, this is fucking gross.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie with you. That is. Parked next to this today. Oh, what? Dude, how can they even get in there in general? This car's just gotta be parked there and just used as a garbage can. But he's probably like stopped paying their car payments and like just been filling up with garbage and waiting for the repo guy to come get their car. And they're like, yeah, have fun, buddy guy. Oh my god. And 'twas smelt from afar. Oh, dude. You have the whole back in there. Like, why are you throwing it up here in your freaking van, you little weirdo? Oh, dude. Just disgusting. Whoo, boy, got a good one. Yeah, freaking A-buds. Oh, dude, for the last one, this one's absolutely packed to the max. Holy frick. But this is some wild looking stuff in here. Dude, how do people do this? Like, how do they live like this? I just don't get it, nor do I understand, nor will I ever will. Like, holy frick, fellas. What do you guys think about these people that fill their car full of garbage? And this is all going to be called carbage, the freaking Reddit forum of the page. That's some nasty, wild looking dongy dong stuff. Like, freaking A-buds. What would you guys do if you're in this situation? Like, if you saw one of these people, would you report them, or would you just be like, oh, that's disgusting, and then hopefully they don't crash into you, you know? Well, fellas, what do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.